last night, the world witnessed something extraordinary. An unidentified aircraft, unlike any known model, struck deep inside Israel and disappeared without a trace. This was no ordinary attack. The precision, the stealth, the technology, far beyond what any regional power possesses. Let me be clear, this was not Iran. Iran does not have such capabilities, but someone does. Someone with advanced engineering, superior intelligence, and the will to act. This is a reminder. The balance of power is shifting. New players are emerging and old assumptions no longer hold. To those behind this operation, we see you and we understand.